I have reviewed the simulated content and created a 500-word summary. Here it is. The Ultimate Guide to Intermittent Fasting, Key Changes to Know for 2025. Popular IF methods include the 16-8 method, 16-hour fast, 8-hour eating window, the 5.2 diet, normal eating for 5 days, 500-600 calories for 2, eat stop eat, 24-hour fast once or twice a week, alternate day fasting, and circadian rhythm fasting, aligning eating with daylight hours. Intermittent fasting, IF, a cyclical eating pattern alternating between eating and fasting periods, has gained significant traction for its potential benefits in weight management, health improvement, and longevity. Unlike a diet, IF focuses on when you eat, not necessarily what you eat. The core principle involves extending the period where the body burns fat due to depleted glycogen stores, triggered by hormonal shifts like decreased insulin and increased human growth hormone, HGH. Looking ahead to 2025, key changes and emerging research emphasize personalized IF protocols tailored to individual genetics and lifestyles. Understanding the impact of IF on the gut microbiome is also crucial, with potential recommendations for prebiotic and probiotic supplementation. Further research explores IF's cognitive benefits, particularly its influence on brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, and its potential to reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. The role of IF in promoting longevity through cellular autophagy remains a significant area of investigation. Specific considerations for women are gaining attention, acknowledging the need for modified approaches to address hormonal balance and reproductive health. Optimizing the timing of exercise in relation to fasting and feeding windows is also being explored for enhanced results. While F offers benefits like weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, cellular repair, and potential improvements in heart and brain health, potential risks include side effects like hunger, fatigue, and nutrient deficiencies. IF is not suitable for everyone, particularly pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with eating disorders, or those with certain medical conditions. Successful IF implementation involves starting slowly, staying hydrated, consuming a nutrient-dense diet, listening to your body, and consulting with a healthcare professional. Tracking progress is also essential. The future of IF lies in personalized approaches and a deeper understanding of its individual health impacts. Subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.